Now, on your Apple iPhone, there's a feature called Wi-Fi calling. What this means is that if you're in an area where mobile network is weak, but you're connected to Wi-Fi, your calls will go through Wi-Fi instead, so you'll get much better call quality. But if you don't want this feature, you can easily disable it on your iPhone. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Apple iPhone. To do this, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see the Mobile Service option. Just tap on it. Here, you'll see every SIM that's in your phone. In my case, there's only one SIM, but if you have two, both will show up. Anyway, under each SIM's options, you'll find Wi-Fi calling. Tap on it, and you'll see that Wi-Fi calling is currently enabled. If you don't want this feature anymore, just turn it off. Once it's turned off, the Wi-Fi calling feature will no longer be active on your iPhone. That's it. This is how you can easily disable Wi-Fi calling on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.